artificial intelligence will take away all the jobs but also will create jobs. So let us try to get into that zone where we can go, where that jobs are being created.
I am at JAIN deemed to be University Center for Management Studies, where the first national level conference is taking place on AI enhanced learning, which will also help to reshape the education structure of tomorrow's landscape. This conference will gather together many academicians, research scholars and students who will give their point of view on the restructure of education by AI. This will also help the students of future who will get to know about how to use AI in the future education sector.
कि अब नया युग आ गया. Artificial intelligence is again going to create artificial intelligence.
JAIN, deemed to be university, recently held the first national level conference on AI enhanced learning, gathering experts to discuss the future of artificial intelligence in education. The event featured prominent speakers from major global companies, including Microsoft, Standard Chartered India, and Create. The conference, organized by Dr. Varalakshmi S., received 125 research papers, with top contributors set to receive awards. Cecil Sunder, director at Microsoft and board member of AI Transformation Leader, emphasized the transformative potential of AI in his virtual address. Regarding the fear of AI replacing jobs, he said that while AI won't replace humans, it will necessitate upskilling to utilize its capabilities effectively. He also emphasized AI's potential to give students access to top-tier global content. Raman Pushkar, Vice President of Data and Digital at Standard Chartered India, advocated for the widespread adoption of generative AI in education, suggesting it could democratize quality education and make it accessible to 250 million students, thereby revolutionizing the sector. Vibha Mishra, Global Learning and Development Lead at Create, discussed AI's efficiency in hiring and its impact on job security. She noted that AI simplifies hiring processes and is not a threat to employment, emphasizing that the real risk lies in failing to adapt to AI advancements. University leaders also shared their insights. Vice Chancellor Dr. Raj Singh remarked on AI's empowerment of teachers and customization of education, while Registrar Dr. Jitendra Mishra warned against over-reliance on AI, urging students to maintain their critical thinking skills. Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Dinesh Nilkant called AI ubiquitous and a defining feature of future generations. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.
Artificial intelligence is again going to create artificial intelligence. The expert of artificial intelligence, Simon Altman, recently has made a very dangerous statement. And he said that all of you who are using ChatGPT, according to him, it is a very primitive stage of technology, and in the years to come, people will laugh at it. This is the recent interview which he gave. And for us, ChatGPT is God. Okay? And then what is going to happen further, that is again a different science all put together. So artificial intelligence is going to come everywhere, education not being an exception. And when we say education, common thing, enhanced learning, enhanced teaching, research, admin processes and systems, all this we will do. Agreed, everything is fine. Then what happens to the student category? The student category is saying that, okay, fine, we will be creative, our critical thinking will be better, our personal growth will be better, and artificial intelligence will guide us.
It was a very unique opportunity for students, faculty members to interact with people from industry who are practicing these new technology like AI. There will also be presentation from researchers from across the country, faculty members, industry people, researchers, on how they are making use of AIs, what kind of new applications of AI are being practiced by people across walks of life, across disciplines, across industries. As far as academics is concerned, one, I look at it as students being more aware of this is technology. Second, what are the usage? And third, some kind of ready acceptance of technology where there are a lot of talks in the industry where that automation will take away the jobs and routine kind of jobs will go. Of course, routine kind of jobs will go away because unless we upgrade our own skills on how to make best use of AI, this fear will remain. But as we become more and more comfortable with AI-based or AI-enabled teaching learning methods, I'm sure the benefits we derive will be huge. I often see it as education sector evolving and getting into more outcome-based education framework. Outcome-based education framework in simple terms says that till today we have been teaching what we thought was the best. But now the need is what the client organizations need, what industry needs, and work backwards on how should be teaching and what should be teaching. So I think artificial intelligence-based solutions will help us deliver higher level outcomes for the students.
I've never seen any organization, especially educational institutions, bringing in renowned speakers from industry and then asking them to share their experiences on AI and Gen AI. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for students as well as for faculty, management, and also for the industry.
And as the use of AI in education, especially the management education, is evolving, it is good to have such a conference and understand it more deeply and try to find the way to leverage it to the fullest and not remain engaged and happy with the superficial kind of use of AI. I also compliment for the wonderful lineup of the speakers that we have got for the conference, the sub-themes and the participation from the country. We have got representation from across the country. We have got a paper contribution which covers very diverse set of themes that they have captured and that they have addressed through their research, which relates to the technology in general and then AI in particular, which is being used in higher education, management education, and so on.
AI is something we should not be afraid of, but we should know how to utilize it. But we are also hearing news about AI is actually taking up the jobs. So what do you think that AI's effect is on the job sector?
Okay, yeah, this is a question I think everyone have, especially in today's era, right? People are talking a lot about AI is going to take away job. But what I feel here, no, it's not going to take away your job. But yes, at the same time, if you do not know how to utilize AI, or if you are not updated with the trending technology, then definitely it's going to hamper you.
Various dignitaries speaking about the positiveness of AI in education sector have also stated that AI might take many jobs but has also enhanced various other jobs too. They also said that AI is something we should not be afraid of, but we should know how to utilize it.